Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe an important plant in your country. You should say what it is. Where do you see it? What does it look like? And explain why it is important. The banyan tree, Ficus bengalensis, is one of the most significant plants in India, where I live. It is regarded as a sacred tree with significant cultural, environmental, and therapeutic value. Because of its endurance and profound historical and cultural significance, the banyan tree is frequently referred to as India's national tree. In India, banyan trees can be found in many different locations. They are frequently spotted by roadways, in public parks, temple courtyards, and villages. For hundreds of years, numerous banyan trees have stood, offering animals and tourists shade and protection. People congregate under its enormous canopy for social gatherings, religious celebrations, and meetings in various rural locations. India is home to some of the biggest and oldest banyan trees in the world, including the well-known Great Banyan Tree in Kolkata's Indian Botanical Garden. The banyan tree is a huge, stately tree that may cover a lot of ground. Aerial roots dangle from its branches and eventually reach the ground to develop new trunks, and it has a large trunk. Because of these aerial roots, the tree has a special appearance that makes it resemble a miniature forest all by itself. The banyan tree offers great shade thanks to its large, glossy, dark green leaves. Birds and animals consume the little, red figs that the tree bears during fruiting season. For a number of reasons, the banyan tree is very significant. First and foremost, it is essential to the environment because it offers a home to a wide range of animals, insects, and birds. Its branches are used as nesting sites by numerous bird species, and animals eat its fruits. Second, it is very valuable medicinally. The bark, leaves, and roots of the banyan tree are among the parts utilized in Ayurveda to cure a variety of illnesses, including diabetes, skin infections, and digestive issues. Furthermore, in India, the banyan tree holds great religious and cultural significance. In Hinduism, it is regarded as sacred and is linked to knowledge and longevity. Worshipping the banyan tree is thought by many to bring wealth and good fortune. It is also associated with Lord Krishna, who is frequently shown having fun beneath a banyan tree. In India, married women often conduct ceremonies around the tree to ensure their husbands live long lives. The environmental advantages of the banyan tree are another factor contributing to its significance. It is useful in metropolitan areas with high pollution levels because it filters the air and offers shade. It is a natural cooling system in hot climates because of its huge canopy, which helps to reduce heat. By firmly anchoring the ground with its extensive root system, the tree also aids in preventing soil erosion. In conclusion, the banyan tree is more than just a common plant in India. It is a representation of resilience, knowledge, and longevity. It is one of the most revered and prized trees in the nation because of its cultural, medical, and environmental value. The banyan tree is still a vital component of India's natural and cultural legacy, whether it is for its shade, health advantages, or spiritual significance. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.